Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Fortron P10 Bluetooth speaker. So now let's look at the box to see if we can find out anything else about the speaker. At the back here we have a few specifications. It has a power output of 3 watts. The battery is 400 mAh and the product size is 71 by 42 mm. It also has a speaker weight of 170 grams, as well as it has a music playtime or battery life of up to 2.5 hours. The 2.5 hours is slightly underwhelming, but for a speaker this size it is pretty decent. So now let's look at some features it is showing us right here. It has LED light, it has micro SD card support, it has CNC technology. It comes with music playing abilities. It has high performance drivers as per the company. It comes with phone mate and it is a wireless speaker and it is possible to have hands-free calls on these speakers. It also comes with aux input support as well as FM function. So that's about it for its features. Let's now open the box and see what we have in here. There we go. There you have the speaker, and here you have some accessories. So this is the user manual of the speaker. We're going to set it right here. It also has some specifications at the back here. This is a wire which is a USB-A, 3.5 mm aux, as well as a micro USB which plugs in here, and then you can plug it into your PC via these ports. Let's set this aside. And now let's look at the speaker itself. As you can see, it's a very tiny speaker. It's a circular one, and this mesh surface holds the tech beneath it and protects it from dust and other such particles. It doesn't have any IP rating as per the box. Safe to say that you shouldn't take this near any water or moisture. You also have the Fortron logo right here, and the whole thing has a nice metallic finish with a blue tint as well as silver strips. So it looks pretty good. At the bottom here you have a base which is kind of rubberized, so it won't move around too much when it's on a table. And you also have buttons right here in a very unconventional position, but I think it's done so that it's a bit discreet and it doesn't spoil the overall look of the speaker. So right here you have a pause and play button, we're guessing, a track forward button, a track back button, as well as a multimedia button. On the side here you have a power on and off toggleable switch, and right here you have a micro SD card slot, and finally here you have a micro USB port. So this is where you'd plug this in and charge. That's about it for what we have in the box. You have the charging cable and also the 3.5 mm connection if you want to connect it to a computer. You have the user manual and you have the speaker itself, which looks and feels pretty well built and robust. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Fortron P10 Bluetooth speaker. Thank you so much for watching this video.